Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and in this video I would like to show you the way how you can stop the daily limit in using Instagram application. If you're using Instagram application for several times and then your application is automatically logged out or closed, means that sometimes your account is already set a daily limit to control your time in using Instagram. So if you want to stop those functions, you just need to open the Instagram application. Now tap into your profile. Tap into the three straight lines on the top right corner and visit your settings and privacy. And now you just need to scroll a little bit down and please focus on how you use Instagram. Take a bit to option, notifications, and time spent. Tap into this time spent. The next thing you need to do is just check into the last option, which is the daily limit. Make sure that this here is off if you want to stop the function. So you just need to tap on it and then you just need to go click no time limit and go click done. And whenever the number here is disappear, now you already have an unlimited time to use the Instagram application. No restrictions to use or play on Instagram. That is the way how you can do that. So that's for today's tutorial. If you still have some questions, just drop into the comment section. And don't forget to click into the thumbs up button and turn on the notification section so you will never miss the upcoming video from this channel. Thank you for watching and let's meet again into other tutorial.